Good morning, Shangam second grade readers. It's Michelia. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, and today we're going to be talking about something called point of view. Now, when we read a story, the point of view is usually from the hero and or the good character in our story, and we know what their point of view is because the story is often told by them or the narrator is talking for them in a fairy tale. But today we're going to talk about what is point of view, and then we're going to look at the point of view of the villain. So, without further ado, let's go. So today we're going to use the true story of the Three Little Pigs, and we're also going to use the story of the Little Pigs, the Three Little Pigs, to learn what point of view is. So point of view is the way a character thinks or feels, or both. And so I want to take a look of the story of the Three Little Pigs. In the story of the Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf, there's three little pigs, so there's our element of three there. And in there, the little pigs go off on their own, and each pig builds their own house. And the first one builds his house out of straw, the next one out of sticks, and then finally out of bricks. But I want to look at the character of the first little pig who builds his house out of straw. His point of view, what he thinks or what he feels, is that he thinks that the wolf is trying to blow his house down and that the wolf is going to eat him. So now I want to find proof from the story that shows what the character is feeling or thinking. And in the story, the wolf actually huffs and puffs and blows his house down, and then he eats that first little pig. In some versions of the Three Little Pigs, the little pig escapes and he runs off to the next brother's house, and so on and so forth. But in this particular version that I'm using, this is what happens. It's the proof I found from the text. I'm going to have you listen to the true story of the Three Little Pigs now. And then what you're going to do for today's assignment is you are going to pick a character from that story. I highly recommend doing the point of view of the wolf because this is a different way of showing point of view, right? We've got Cinderella and the fairy godmother and the stepmother and the stepsisters, right? We could tell a story from one of their points of view, right? It might be interesting to tell the story of Cinderella from the point of view of the stepmother or one of the stepsisters, okay? But today, we're going to use the true story of the Three Little Pigs, and then you are going to fill this out. Again, you can pick any of the characters from that story, but I recommend using the wolf. So I'm going to get out of here and get to our story. And I'm going to disappear so you can listen.
Story of the Three Little Pigs by Caesar, illustrated by Louise.
I love that story, and I hope you did too. I unfortunately didn't have my book home with me, so I had to improvise and have you listen to it by someone else, but I think they did an absolutely phenomenal job reading it. So, again, today, I want you to think about the point of view of the wolf, right? It's a different point of view. How does the wolf feel in this story of the Three Little Pigs? And what I love was that this author totally created another story of the Three Little Pigs, but told it from the wolf's point of view. So today, think about the wolf, and you can even think about the wolf in the real story, or the original version of the Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf. And you are going to say what he or she is feeling, and then how do you know? Is there proof from the book that validates what you're saying they are thinking or feeling, okay? If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out to your teachers, and we will see you tomorrow for some more fairy tale fun. Bye, Shangam.